What's up, guys? My name is Austin Mitchell. Been in the life insurance industry for just over 2 years now, and what I primarily focus on now is coaching agents to get to $20,000 a month profit, because I've been there. I've been through all the struggles, all the hurdles that everybody's facing now, and my pure journey is just to help you guys succeed. So today we're going to talk about 3 different things that people should look into whenever they're joining the life insurance industry, and the best 3 things to make them succeed. Okay. The first one that we're going to take a look at today is going to be finding a good mentor. Everybody needs a mentor. You're going to have one either way whenever you join an agency, whether it's your upline, agency owner, whoever it really is. The one thing you have to do is vet that person that's going to be teaching you, training you, and helping you succeed. So personally, I don't like to work with people that don't align with my personal beliefs. I want to make sure they're a good person, they have good morals, and they want to do the right thing. Secondly, we're going to really look at what they're selling, whether it be mortgage protection, final expense, IULs, annuities. Does that align with what you want to sell when you get into this industry? Something to take a look at. The third thing we're going to look at is going to be their track record, right? Are they able to take agents and actually make them profitable, make them successful? Do they give them all the tools, all the training? Do they have time to train you one-on-one? Or do they just plug you into YouTube videos and hope you, succeed, just push you to buy leads? All those kind of things. You want somebody that's really going to have the time to take you, transform you into somebody that's going to be super successful and confident and profitable within the business. Okay. Now, the second thing that you're going to need to succeed is a good system to plug into. So that's one of the things you're going to be interviewing your upline about. What does the training look like? Is it YouTube videos? Are we going to meet multiple times a week? Are you going to help me role play through the script? What does that really look like? Either way, whenever you join an agency, you need to plug into the system. There's always going to be people there that are making money. And the differences between you and them is they actually did the work, plugged into the system. Alex Hormozy says it best, right? Do the boring work. Nobody likes sitting down for 8 hours a day while they're waiting on their contracting, which can take up to 2 weeks, and just reading a script, getting fluent with it, and actually learning the products and everything that goes along with that, right? But it's the things we do now that are going to make us successful later. So, a lot of people will sit down and read the script just in their head, and they just read the script. Does that really benefit you? I mean, a little bit, maybe, possibly. But what's really going to benefit you is reading it out loud. Okay? It doesn't matter what the script sounds like in your head. It really matters what the script is going to sound like coming out of your mouth. Does that make sense? So, you really have to plug into the system, really do the training, sit down, do the boring work, and grind it out so you can have success later. Now, the third and final thing, once you've got all the training done, you're proficient at your script, you know the objections, and you've got your contracting paperwork back, we're going to just dive into full immersion, okay? A lot of people will sit down for 8 hours, and they may make, depends on the type of lead you're working, obviously, but let's just say, for an example, they may make 100 dials a day. And if they didn't give any presentations, hate to break it to you guys, but 100 dials does not take that long. It's maybe an hour, 2 hours worth of work at the most, especially if nobody's picking up the phone, right? And if nobody's picking up the phone after 200 dials, maybe, it's more of a marketing problem than a sales problem, but you guys get the point. The point is that you need to structure your day that when you're working, you're actually working, right? There should be no reason that you guys don't sit down and grind out a full 8 hours. Now, if you're part-time, a little bit different, but we're talking a full-time insurance agent, right? We need to get through those first presentations. We need to get beat up on the objections in the first intro of the call. We need to get to, taking an application and getting screwed up on banking and just, blowing up a sale. Those type of things are going to be the learning experience. And the faster and more work that you guys put in, the faster you're going to get through that learning curve and be able to be profitable and have success. So I hope this video helps you guys. I know it wasn't very long. I'm trying to keep these under 5 minutes, but if you guys want to follow along with the journey, I'm just trying to share tips, tricks, and what I think would really help insurance agents, because I'm tired of seeing everybody fail out of the business. So follow along, and I'll share as much as I can.